الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم أما بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان. As we know, dear students, that we have gathered here in this vast hall of Darut Talim wa Sanad under the auspices of Jamiatul Islah, where Bazm-e Jauhar is being organized under the supervision of Mufti Ashiq Ilahi Nadwi, the principal of DTS Darut Talim wa Sanad Jajmau in Kanpur. We are privileged that we are having such a huge platform to express ourselves, to state what inside ourselves properly and diligently. Dear students, it is our duty to be honest, to be diligent, to be hardworking, because we are here to make ourselves an honest person, an honest student, an honest learner who is learning everything what is being taught here properly and honestly. Friends, this is our third program of Bazm-e Jauhar, third English program of this annual session, which is being organized every 15 days under the auspices of Jamiatul Islah named Bazm-e Jauhar. We have to be honest, learning this second language, that is English language. Some of you have delivered a very excellent speech. They have done a good job while delivering their speeches. And meanwhile, there are someone who did not do well. You had enough time to be prepared well, but unfortunately, you did not use your time properly. They do not want to hone their English skills. They do not want to face the challenges. They do not want to communicate, to interact with people. They do not want to hone their skills to speak in public places. They do not want to increase their context-specific language. Here we are to know how we can improve our English language. This vast stage welcomes us and greets us to improve ourselves, to present ourselves in front of people, in front of our friends, in front of our colleagues, in front of our teachers, likewise in front of the whole world, the entire universe. This Bazm-e Jauhar, which is under the supervision of Jamiatul Islah, regularly and continuously presenting his focus on Arabic language. Just it is placed on English language too. So we have to learn this language very well, very diligently, very properly and very honestly. As we know that English is a global language, so we have to learn this language very well. There are some tips I am here to present in front of you. Number 1, read every day, because reading English every day can improve your vocabulary, can improve your grammar rules, sentence structures. Whenever you read, you go through many words, many new words. Reading English every day allows you to practice new words into your own sentences, into your daily life. Likewise, reading also enhances comprehension. We can comprehend things, we can understand what we read, what we go through. We can understand and we can have the ability to understand something when we read the information provided in English language. Likewise, dear students, when we read every day, we familiarize ourselves with different writing skills, writing styles. So, you have to read every day. Read newspapers, read English literature books, read good novels, read stories. Likewise, the second tip is write every day. When we write every day, we allow ourselves to practice new words. We allow ourselves to practice grammar rules, sentence structures, and word usage. When we write, we build our confidence. When we write, we build our confidence. We go through with new words. We reinforce the vocabulary also, because reading or writing every day, these need very consistent deed. The third point is speak and listen every day, regularly. Speak regularly, listen every day. Speak to your friends, speak with your colleagues, make pairs and speak. This will build your confidence. And we have to listen to the podcasts, we have to listen to dramas, we have to listen to shows. When we listen, we build our listening skills, we build our confidence level. Likewise, we have to participate in classes, we have to discuss with our friends. When we participate, we don't hesitate. When we participate in classes, when we discuss with our friends, we build our confidence. When we participate in class, we increase our analysis level. We analyze something and we create anything. When we participate, we create many things. When we participate, we create supportive environment. And when the environment supports us, we build our English skills as well, very well. And finally, last but not least, we have to ask questions, ask more and more questions. The more you ask questions, the more comfortably you express yourself. Don't hesitate. So friends, in conclusion, we have to read every day, write every day, participate in classes, discuss with our friends, and we have to ask questions, and we don't need to hesitate. At anywhere, at any time, we have to ask more and more questions. By incorporating and integrating these practices, we can improve our English learning skills, and in terms of fluency and accuracy, we can build ourselves using this huge platform. We are grateful to the facilitators of this program, this stage, and we thank all our teachers who provide their support to the students of DTS Jajgaon Kanpur. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.